Here's how to crop in DaVinci Resolve, step by step. Say I want to crop this video, we go to the top right corner, click on Inspector. Then if you look at Transform, you can increase the zoom. So say I want to crop in so that we wouldn't see the clothes on the left. I'll just increase the zoom like this. I drag it to the right. Next, you can change the position of the video. So we can shift it left or right. So if I drag the X to the left, you can see that it will show the right side of the video like this. And if I drag it to the other side, then it will show us the left side of the video like this. So with that, we can adjust which part of the video you want to crop in. So if I just want to show this guy, then I will shift it to maybe here. And for Y, you can move it up or down. If I drag it like this, it will move up. And if I drag it to the right side, it will move down. So say I want to crop in and I don't want to show the bottom of this table, then I will just drag the Y like this. And if I want this guy to be in the middle, then I can move the X. So I can go left or right like this. So if I want him to be exactly in the middle, I'll just drag it like this. And you can continue to zoom in like this, or you can zoom out. So you can adjust these two things to crop your video. And if you want to reset what you did, you can click on this to reset the video back to its original form. Now there's another way to crop your video. If you go to the bottom left corner, there's this rectangle which is transform. When I click it, it will turn white and we'll see all of these things around the video. I can drag the corner. I drag it like this to zoom in. I can drag it as much as I want to adjust. And then if say I want to move this video to the left, I'll just drag it to the left or to the right. And then I can drag it up or down. When you're done adjusting your video, remember to click on the transform tool again to exit the mode. Next, let me show you how to crop your video to make it into a vertical video. Go to the top left corner, click on File, then click on Project Settings. Then look for Timeline Resolution. You can see currently this video is a widescreen video. It's horizontal. And if I want to make it into a vertical video, I will check this box to use a vertical resolution. Then I click on Save. And now you can see the video is automatically cropped into a vertical video. Next, to adjust the video, we can go to Inspector, go to Position. We can change the X to show the left or the right. So if I drag it like this, it shows us the right side of the video. Or if I drag it the other side, it will show us the left side of the video. So you can adjust exactly how you want your video to crop in, even in the vertical mode. And if say I want to crop in even more so that I can see more of this guy, I can increase the zoom. So I drag it like this. We can continue zooming in. Then I can adjust like that. And if I want to move this up or down, we can change the position for Y. If I drag it like this, it will move up. And if I drag it the other side, it will move down. So I can adjust to exactly how I want this video to look like. Next, let me show you how to actually crop your video. So maybe you don't want to crop in, as in you kind of show a zoom in version of your video like this. Maybe you want to actually crop the sides of the video. So here's how. Under Inspector, go to Cropping, click it, and you'll see crop left, right, top, and bottom. If I drag this, you can see it will crop the left. And if I drag this, it will crop the right. And it can crop the top, we can crop the bottom. There's softness, and if you increase it, then it will kind of blend the edges of this video. And if you want to move the video around, you can go to Transform. You can change the position. If I move the X, it will move it to the right or to the left. And we can change the Y to move it up or down. You can also use the transform tool. Click on this and you can drag it anywhere you want. So say for example, you have a video and you want to crop your face and put it in the corner of your video. Let me show you. I will crop this even more. I crop the left, I crop the right, I crop the bottom, I crop the top, and then we want to zoom in to make it bigger. So I will increase the zoom like this and I continue to crop in even more. Then I can change the position. If I change the Y, I can drag it down. I change the X, I can move it left or right. Or I can use the transform tool, then I just put it in the corner like this.